بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه نستعين اللهم علمنا عنك يا رب فهمنا عنك. Fourth day, FASTA format. It is a foundation for bioinformatics. What is FASTA format? FASTA is a fundamental format in bioinformatics. It is for representing the DNA, the RNA or protein sequence. So it is a language. We use it to represent the DNA, the RNA, or even the protein sequence. It is a cornerstone for working with sequence in tools and database. So it is the language that database store its information as, and it is the language that I can use the tools that I uses in the tools of bioinformatics as an input, and these tools give me its output in the same language. So this is the process. The information is stored in a language, the same language it is used as input in the bioinformatic tools, and the output will be in the same language. Okay, this enable researcher to effectively store, analyze, and share their genetic information. Okay. Unveiling FASTA. We will talk about the structure and example of the structure of this language. FASTA structure. FASTA format is a text-based representation. It consists of two parts. Number one, header line, and then a sequence line. What is the header line? It begins with the following. It begins with this sign. It is followed by a description of the sequence. The sequence can be a nucleotide sequence of a DNA, nucleotide sequence of our RNA, or the amino acid sequence of protein. So the header contains this sign, okay, it is present here, and after this a description of what is this sequence. Let's say this example. This example, it contains prescription of hemoglobin A. Okay, it is human hemoglobin subunit alpha. Okay, this protein is the present in the Homo sapien, and this is its number. So this is what is called header. Okay, it contains this sign and description of about we would talk. This is an protein. Okay, so the sequence line. The sequence line contains the actual DNA or RNA or protein sequence. If it is the DNA or RNA, it will be a nucleotide sequence, and if it is a protein, it will be an abbreviation for the amino acid sequence. Here our example is a protein, so the sequence line, it is a sequence of the amino acid MVLSP. Okay, as we finish. FASTA in action, where we will find it in the bioinformatic database. So it is the language. Through it I store my biological data. Okay, in example, in GenBank, Uniport, BDB are just a few examples of database that use FASTA to store and organize their information. Number two, sequence downloads. When I retrieve information from this database, I will take this information in which language? In a FASTA language. So when I downloading a sequence, and my aim is to analyze it or sharing with the colleague, In which language will be the information? It will be the FASTA. And this ensures compatibility and ease to use. What else? Bioinformatics tools. These tools that I use it to analyze this data and have insight from it. It also take its input as in FASTA language and give me its output as a FASTA. So popular tools like BLAST, Cluster, and MEGA all rely on FASTA for input and output. This enabling seamless integration. I store information in database in FASTA language. I retrieve or I collect data from this database to share it or analyze it in the FASTA language. The tools or the popular tools use this language as an input and as output. What about application of FASTA? Expanding the scope. Okay, number one, we can use it in organize and storage. We can use it in analysis of sequence through the tools, okay, and interoperability. Okay, FASTA. So about organizing and storage the biological data, FASTA provide a structured way to store and manage sequence for easy retrieval and analysis. FASTA serve as a standard input format for various computational tools. These tools that the popular tools in bioinformatics field. This facilitates sequence alignment, phylogenetic analysis, and other operations. Interoperability. FASTA promote compatibility between different bioinformatic software, ensuring seamless exchange of sequence data. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Thank you.